Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can turn off these, what is this? Captions we can say. These captions help us to know about the video, but sometimes they may be actually distracting us to watch the video. Means, for example, this is a tutorial video. Actually, this music or something like the captions are just making me missing the options. Means there is the tutorial showing on the YouTube shorts. Actually this music or this title is on top of the options at that point of time. If you want to disable this or if you want to turn off these particular captions, somewhere this may be at the top, this may be at the down, but whatever it may be, if you want to stop them, you need to click on these three dots. And remember, this option is similar for mobile also. Even if you are using on mobile or even if you are using on laptop or PC, this option is, just tap on this option, this automatically goes off. Whatever the captions it is showing until now, those will be disabled. Yeah, whenever you want, you can just click on these three dots again, you can click on this captions again. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.